Oh shit!
January 11th, 2005 is a day that has juggled into my mind for a while. The day of the outbreak, RE4, the video game, was released and has taken the world by storm. Hell has even reached my local mom and pop shop. That day it happened so fast. I barely remember how it affected me. Except I remember completely because I'm not an idiot.
Would you look at that? Would you look at that, y'all? Oh my gosh. It's here. Just the demo. Just the demo for now. Just the demo. But, you know, I mean, this is Resident Evil 4. This game has potential to be the greatest game of all time once again. Once again. It's one of the greats for sure before. But now, let's see what we got. They got like a lot going on in this one. So far from what I'm seeing. Let's just get it started. And my computer is about to spontaneously combust from all the power it's gonna have to put out to play this.
September 30th, 1998.
That's the date.
It's a day I'll never forget.
That's the date. I won't forget that date either.
Inside me died that day.
Yup.
That night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others.
Yes, you
So
did.
lucky.
You were. Not really. I mean, you have skill,
I was
Leon.
asked later to join a top secret government program. Not that I had a choice.
Not that you had the choice, bro. I understand. Oh, look at he on, bro. Oh, Krause.
At least I kept my mind off everything.
Man. Oh, look at the animation there.
If I could just forget
That was beautiful.
what happened that night.
Quite beautiful.
The pain. Even for a
Oh,
second.
my man Mars. Feels coming back.
Different.
Ada! No,
Has
Ada!
to.
Please, don't leave me again. Oh, look at him. Look at my boy, man. Look at the energy he's putting out here, bro. It's all good. It's all good. It's been 16 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived. I'm reading like Leon, but it's someone else narrating. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having disguised himself as a U.S. special agent, he has tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where the intel suggests the kidnapping of the girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the sanity he would find there. Let's do it, man. I'm guessing that's just kind of how the demo itself starts. I doubt the game starts exactly like this. Alrighty then. Okay. All right. Let's explore. Let's explore. Okay, where my buttons at though? Okay, you crouch with this here. Oh, I don't think they had crouching in the last one. I'm pretty sure they didn't. Not like that anyway. We have manual crouching here. Okay. I'm guessing I'm supposed to cut this. Leon, where your knife? I know you got it, bro. Guess I'm supposed to walk around.
How far could he have gone?
Good question. Good question, man. Good question. Ooh. I'm gonna tell you something, bro. When Leon stepped to it and he was like, ugh, I felt that. And also the game, it's gaming. Game is gaming, and I like when a game games. Crouch and stand, blah, blah, blah. Let's run here. This must be the first house where Leon asks questions. The real questions. What's in there, Leon? Oh, I like this camera here is cameraing. Let's go.
Anyone home?
Man, Leon, you trying to waltz in somebody else's crib, bro. I don't know how I should feel, or how you should feel about that, but, you know. Emergencies and all that. Judgment is nigh. For Ashley? Also, you know what that says. Okay, I see you, Leon. You've been practicing your Spanish, so have I. On some macho man vibes here. Okay. Okay, why am I walking into the wall? Run, run, run. We ain't got all day. Okay, so okay, to pop in. Hasta defender contigo. Esperemos contigo, viviremos contigo. No temoros. I don't know. Sorry, y'all. Sorry, my Spanish speaking fam. Ooh, I feel that rumbling here in my controller here. Ooh, that man popped out of nowhere. Yo.
Sorry to barge in like this.
Yeah, Leon, you should apologize, man. Came to this nigga house. Ah, I like that. Like that attention to detail. They got Leon to actually speak the language. Leon just looking like, bro, you just walked in that person's house and not even saying nothing to you. Oh yeah, time to waltz back. Slowly. He's like, nah. That's crazy. He picked that thing up and already knew what time it was. He's like, ooh, okay, Leon, we need you in the next Capcom fighting game now. You showed enough. His neck smashed. Oh.
You got knocked the f out, man. Give me my goddamn.
Let me have that. I'll get up at you. Thank you very much, sir. There we go. There go the knife. Ooh, the stabby stab. Poke game on slashing too. When he runs, he start pulling out that gat. Right. Wait, hold up. See, I was gonna walk out without looking at this again. Mario Fernandez Castaño, police officer. Policia at the ball. Feel bad. You actually puts it on file that time. Yeah, sir. Yes, sir. Yep, I'm guessing this is what you need this for. But why is Leon going further in? Oh yeah, he did hear a voice. Ooh. They playing with my emotions on the first beginning. This was not this spooky before. Relax. Relax. Hi there. Oh, boy. Boy, let me tell you. Let me tell you right now. This ain't it, Chief. What is this? Horse meat? Deer meat? Okay, focus, Leon, focus. Okay, slowly.
Hey.
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Getting real. Ooh. Poor guy. Came to the wrong place.
I read you. What's your situation? What the hell's going on?
Come on. Yeah. I don't know what's going on, Leon. Wink, wink. Let's get out of here.
What was that?
Police! Police! Oh, yeah, he lied, buddy. How did I miss all them shots? There's something going on here. Stab him. Ooh, yes. All right, buddy boy. Well, your neck is gone, so I'm guessing y'all gonna teach me how to dodge yet or something? Come on.
It just keeps getting worse.
Yeah, bro. I feel like a scrub now. I gotta get my buttons in check and see what does what. Can I dodge? Can I run? Can I grab? What I do? Teabag on him. Oop, oop, oop. No. Hold on. I have an idea. I have a feeling. Oh, this is where I was. You can see through the other room in here. Man. Hello. Hi. Slash. Hold on. Hold on. Oh. Oh well. Good thing I did that because I don't have anything left. Let's see. I don't know if I'll be able to find anything in here. Huh? Oh shit! Get off me! Okay, he wasn't on me. Come on, let's dance. Oh, okay. Restoring health, you can also restore health. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's pretty much the same as usual, right? Not completely, but like. Let's see, what else I got here, man? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, a map is a map. Don't need to look at that. Barge my way up out of this joint. Wait, hold up. Yeah, this is a small reminder I need to do my literal thing. I need to take things from the house because I need it. I need it. It's not stealing if it's a video game. Morgan? Oh, never mind. That's Ashley. His hair just looked green from this.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
The President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this
Okay, Hunnigan got a little change.
Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up.
Find it, baby. Find it, baby.
Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are
Dead.
gotta go. Talk later.
Man, I wish I had the strength you had. And for a second, and let me tell you, bro, I gotta get out of here. Whoop. See you.
So you know I ain't worried, biatch.
Unless you want me to tell you about your car's and steering warranty, you better step on out my face. Let's go, y'all. Let's go, Leon. Let's go. Bro, when's the last time this ever was a good sign? I mean, it's that thing
Bleeding to the, you know what I mean?
I didn't know bridges can bleed like that. Let's do that. Should be a safe room. What else? Gunpowder to make bullets with. These crows are gonna get me caught, bro. I swear it. Ooh. Yeah, friendly reminder that these are a thing, and I doubt they will stop being a thing in this game. So watch your step, Leon. Watch your step. Got it. Bro, this game is looking crispy even on my broke down device. Okay. 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 Ooh. 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 I feel a presence. I feel two presences. I want more presence. That gnat is in my ear, bro. I don't like it. Bro, why am I acting scared? I'm Leon S. Kennedy, nigga. What? Oh, you hiding in the bushy. Oh, what the hell? I'm up here pressing a button to dodge or something, and what the? They gonna let me learn how to dodge or something, or they just don't have that yet? My guess is they just don't have that yet. Hey, buddy. Ooh, combo into the knife slash, bro. That combo was sweet, boy. Come here. To your back of your throat. All right, I'm not playing with y'all no more. Y'all not getting me. This always is a sign of danger. Boulders. What we got? Boulders, snakes. Ah, we have that. Right. Oh, why did I waste a bullet on that? I was like, yeah. Remember, he doesn't say anything about it here, but it's always a sign of danger when you see those. Skull and crossbow. Well, it's not actually skull and crossbow. Okay, shut up and relax, yo. Wow. This nigga. Okay, right. Get worked. One shot, one kill. This is why I'm a legend, nigga. I'm a legend. Yeah, you about to die too. So. Change weapon. Oh, okay, yeah. Any quick way to heal yourself, Leon? Nope. It's like just like old times. Crafting materials. Crafting. Setting weapon shortcuts. You can set a weapon to a shortcut by selecting the weapon in the items menu. Use up to 8 weapons can be assigned. 8 weapons, up to 8, meaning. Ah, that's why they asked me. You can break your goddamn blade here. How did this break? It doesn't seem, from what I'm looking at here, it doesn't really seem like it's that common for it to break or something. That or it is, and it's just easy to repair. I mean, it's your knife, bro. What else are you gonna do? You can't do much without that. But the fact you can break a knife does bring to the intensity up, you know. I think it's more useful in this game, so of course you're gonna have situations with your knife. You know, it's not exactly a weapon to sneeze at. They got the back way. They always got the back way. Or they... Oh, they burned this nigga alive. Look at the pain on his face, y'all. That's a way to go. That's the way to go. Be gone. Ah. You enjoying this, huh? Is this your way? You practice this? She about to go pick up the kids from school. And this nigga burning on a fake cross. Bro, I'm out of here. I would have shot that chicken for an egg, but bro, I don't even have a repaired knife. I am down horrendous right now with this. Okay, that means we have to be very quiet while hunting espaldos.
What did he say?
Old lady back there like usual. now. I think the game has this particular situation where I can strangle now. And I don't have the blade to do what I want to do. Great. Turn around. Please nobody be in here. Please nobody be in here. Please nobody be in here. You has got to be joking me. Yeah, not so much. Not so much noise, my boy. Okay. There's got to be a way to repair this knife quick. It's gonna be tough surviving without it. Considering that it can save my life a few times, you know. Maybe I should be careful with how I use it. Alright. There's no... I can't jump. I can't vault over the window with the woman there. Okay. Let's just sneak around a bit more. Let's see how far we can go with this. Right. What am I supposed to do? I used that knife too dang much, and now I'm gonna suffer because of it. There's gotta be another way around. Chicken dropped an egg there. Might just have to start a ruckus. Just might have to. Man. Tough. Oh, who yelling? Yeah, screw this. I guess I'm just...
Here we go.
Ah, here we go. What? How did I miss? How did I miss? Bro. How did I shoot? Like that? Bruh, that was fire. Get up. Get off me. Get off me. Do him, Leon. Do him, Leon. Do him, Leon. I can't. It's that P, that's it, it's Master P, basically, it's Master P, that's it. Ugly. Ahorita está. Say something. Okay. I guess I have to utilize running with... Oh, y'all pushing now? Get him off you, Leon. Pick him off you, bro. You know karate, Leon. Just fight! Why do I need a prompt? Oh, this crouching button's gonna mess me up. Because there ain't no crouching in the... No random crouching in it. I keep thinking it's like a way to... Get that chicken out. Oh, this nigga punched me in the back, bro. Alright, there's gotta be a way. Like I said before. The damn... Yeah. You have to go this way. Like the usual. Like the usual. The usual way. What are they planning? Ah, great. Chainsaw. Son of a... Sorry, I'm just copying all the old lines. Who are these guys?
It's my lucky day.
Yep. Why do you sound like Duke Nukem right there? Put some... You don't need all that bass. Grab that. They're keeping the usual suspects here. Oh, and I'm out. Leon. Leon, heal up! Heal up! Alright. Kick him on! Okay. Sir? Are you lost? Hold on a second. This nigga took that! Ooh, he was already ready for action. Why are you putting that up? I'm over here. I'm over here. Get off me! Okay. See one of these brown eggs. The brown eggs are the better eggs, if I recall. I keep thinking it's circle. Come on, let's do this.
Keep coming.
Oh, what are you doing? Ah! She's still reeling. Oh God. This nigga did a two-piece! This nigga did a two-piece on me! Get off! Get off! Leon can't even run no more. He's donezo. Wait, hold on. I got an idea. I got an idea. I got an idea. My usual suspect. My usual suspect. They can really catch you off guard. Oh, okay. Okay, it's still here. It's still here. All right. My usual. Grab that. Oh shit! That scared the crap out of me, bro. Oh Lord, forgive me for the cursing. Oh, he's dead. That how is Leon still alive? This nigga is a Saiyan. I've been telling y'all for years. Oh my God. I know, Leon. I know. I know. Switch it up.
Here you go.
Huh?
This I'm gonna pull up to your mom's house on Thanksgiving, you heard?
Just destroying stuff. What? How am I getting this predicament? Thank you for that. I'll grab that. Help! Help me, 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 help me. Why would I go through here? But I need ammo. Something. Something. Ah. This is a bad idea. Ooh. That worked. Somehow. Move. 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 Get out my way. Ah! Move! Leon! Run! Woo! Run, Leon! Run! Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let's craft, let's craft, let's craft. Let's craft. You're good, Leon. Shake it off, buddy. Oh, I hear you hear the bells? The bells are tolling. I'm not gonna waste a bullet in case they just walk away.
La campana.
La campana. I survived? No way. I should have died like 3 or 4 times. 7 times, bro. Woo! I should have died. I have no knife.
Tenemos que servir.
I was like, okay. It's time to go to the party. Party time. Y'all, that's weird. They know this nigga is the main nigga they need to catch and they just walking past him. I never got that, you know? That's real loyalty there. That bell say you come home for dinner, you come home for dinner. That's what they say. He's like, bruh, I'm gonna get you next time, homie. Believe that. That's what he told me on that look on his face, bro. He said, next time you dead, homie, believe that. Believe that, homie. Don't let me catch you slipping out. Where did everyone go?
Where's everyone
Bingo.
going? Bingo?
Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, loud. Oh, loud. That's Resident Evil 4 Remake, my boy. That can't be the demo, though. That's not a full demo, right? They made it seem like this demo was pretty jam-packed. Oh, nope. It's definitely it. That's it. They let you play the village, and that's fine. That's why they call it the chainsaw demo. And I didn't even get to parry a chainsaw because, nigga, I broke my dang knife. I can't believe it. I don't understand how you do that. But we just played the game, bro. Like, it's 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, you know, we'll be ready for it. I hope you guys are ready. I know I'm ready. I know I'm ready. I'm lit. Oh, I'm lit. Bro, that was cool. That was cool, man. There's changes I gotta definitely get used to. Every time I was coming up to something, I was crouching because I guess I'm used to pressing circle in the other game to pick up stuff, you know, because I recently got the original Resident Evil 4 on my Switch, and it runs well. It runs great. It's fun. It hasn't died in the fun. I just get lost in it. But yeah, that's it for me, y'all. I'm hot in this thing, trying to be like Leon. And I tell you what, bro. I don't know how many times to say I'm ready for it, but I'm ready for it. So yes, y'all, I'll let y'all a little bit later play something else. Probably next is gonna be Hi-Fi Rush, because I've been had that game just sitting there for like a month, and I haven't gone through it yet because I wanted to make a video on it. But don't worry, I should have just start playing and just make some random fun video for it, not like a full playthrough. This might see the full playthrough treatment. I'm not sure yet, but all right. Well, I'm about to go, and always remember, y'all, that the day is a gift. That's why they call it the present. I'm out. Yeet!